I'm Carol Kelso, Thomasville Today, CNS Next, with 3 community volunteers doing an incredible job to connect our community for Judy's Heroes boxes. So let's start first. We're at the, Mr. Knight, Lyndall Knight, you tell us where we are.
You are at the Allen Cook Veterans of Foreign War Post 4995 in Thomasville, Georgia.
Thank you. Thank you. And Brandy Kirkham, welcome.
Thank you.
And Angela Kaminis, Hands on Thomas County.
Always a pleasure.
Always good to have y'all together. Let's talk a little bit about how we all got connected here and what our project is. So, Angela, let's start with you first.
Sure. So Hands on Thomas County is all about connecting the community through service. And every November we have an event day, a volunteer event day that is focused on our military. And so we're always looking for partnerships to add value to what we do and to how we involve the community. And so we've been reaching out to our local Veterans of Foreign War post and also to Judy's Heroes boxes, looking for ways that volunteers can come together to serve the military that serve us. So that's why we came here today, because we've got a project that we're going to do for Judy's Heroes,
Okay.
and we're all involved, and we hope that the community will be as well.
Absolutely, that's why we're here. All right, I'm going to come back to you, Brandy, in just a minute. So, Veterans of Foreign Wars, you've got this great building out here and the get-together. Is this where the event's going to be happening?
This is where the event's going to be happening at. They're going to do their pre-boxing and packing here. We also are bringing in volunteers, veterans that can volunteer to come in and help that day to pre-pack and everything.
That's super.
And
Right.
we're looking forward to helping
Yeah,
these people.
this sounds great.
because-
This is your first time helping Judy's Hero
Right.
boxes.
First time. I'm retired out of the Army. I did 30 years, retired Command Sergeant Major. My career ran from Vietnam all the way through to Somalia.
I think you're qualified.
Thank you. And but anyway, I used to get soldier packages too, and I always looked forward to getting them.
Oh, that's
but I didn't know
awesome.
where they were coming from. But
Oh,
they
that's
were great
great.
to have.
So you're pretty familiar with this routine. So
Yes.
This will be what's a great connection, Mr.
Right.
Knight. Thank
It
you.
is, and we're looking forward to helping them and everything. Our post commander, he's standing off over here in the back, Gregory Tweet. He's very apt at it, and he is basically been the person that we contacted that's put all this together.
Okay.
And I just come out to offer any assistance I could offer.
Well, super. You're a wealth of information. I've heard you earlier. It's
Thank
great.
you.
We'd just do a whole show on you sometime.
thank you.
All right. Thank you, Brandy, so much. Tell us a little bit about Judy's Heroes. Hero
So,
boxes.
Judy's Hero Boxes started with my mom, Judy Davis, who did it for several years. It was just her passion, and felt like after Vietnam that our soldiers that were deployed needed just, a little taste of home and to be
Absolutely.
reminded that their service and sacrifice was appreciated. We lost her in 2019 to breast cancer, and so me and my sisters have picked up the torch, and this will be our 4th year. And it's just kind of been the full circle of now having veterans help pack these packages
Yes, that's a great
that would
idea.
go to current soldiers. So it's, this is what we've been working towards, and we have so much local support in the past 4 years as far as helping with donations and helping us pack and helping us find those soldiers. And that's always the challenge, is because that information is not readily available.
Now, do you have a website?
I don't. This time I'm
So we'll-
working.
We'll go through Hands on Thomas
We're going to go
County.
through Hands on Thomas
Super.
County, who's doing this nominate a veteran or deployed soldier. We need a name and an address to be able to get those care packages to them.
Okay. So care packages overseas, just the active service members here.
We've done deployed
Okay.
overseas. We've done deployed stateside.
Super.
I mean, anybody local, we're wanting to just, give them a little taste of home and just touch. But if we know of veterans that are in need in our local community, we're all for making sure they get a care package
that's great.
of just, personal care items that they may need.
And the
that-
recognition, and
yes.
hey, we see you, and we're
Yes.
so grateful.
Yes,
All
that
right.
they're not forgotten.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. All right, Angela, bring it all back together for us. When does this happen?
Okay, so this is happening all of November. People can go to our website, www.handsonthomascounty.org, and there's 3 different ways that they can participate. The first is they can make donations. We're doing a collection drive for the Judy's Heroes boxes, and there's a whole list of items that can go in these boxes, and that, again, is on our website. We're also, like Brandy said, we really need to make that connection with the service members
Sure.
and the veterans. So we need friends, family members, colleagues, anybody who knows an active duty service member or a veteran in need to go to our website and give us just that basic information that will allow us to send either cards at a minimum or an entire care package. And all that information will be kept very private. It will not go anywhere
Oh,
else.
that's good.
It's
Okay.
solely for this use.
Okay.
Then the next way that people can come and participate in this is to actually come out and help pack the boxes. We'll be doing that here at the Veterans of Foreign War Post. It will be on December 3rd from 9 to noon, and everyone's invited to take part in this and put the boxes together that will eventually be mailed to all of the nominated service people.
That's the fun day.
Well, it's all the fun
It
day.
is all the fun day.
Every
It's
single
just
part of
especially
this.
delivering, but just to be
Yeah.
together and know that you're doing something.
Every
so
single part
worthwhile.
of this is fun and rewarding and needed, and we just are happy to help bring all these different groups and people together to make it happen.
Super. All right. Tell us again that date and the times.
December 3rd, if you want to volunteer to pack care packages, it'll be from 9 to noon. And again, this information will be on our website. If you want to nominate a service member, that is, again, on our website through November 30th. And if you'd like to donate items, you can do that again at our office by November 14th,
Okay, by November 14th. Super.
preferably.
Well, we always know there's a little bit of last minute. Oh, yeah.
A little wiggle room there.
Little wiggle room. Shh, don't tell anybody. Well, thank you so much to Mr. Knight and Brandy and Angela and bringing this all together. And we look forward to being right here at the Veterans of Foreign War Post 4995 on Old Cassidy Road, 1296
Old Cassidy Road.
All right. Thank you so much. And we hope to see you here December the 3rd.
Yes.
For packing and just a good fun time knowing you're doing something so worthwhile. So thanks for watching. We never know where we're going to be or what we will be doing, but we do know it will be good.